Hello everyone! Today I'm gonna do recipe with chicken, yeast and cocoa. Sounds weird to you, but no worries guys, this is gonna be amazing. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below. So like this, you're gonna see new food inspiration from me every week. And now, let's do it! I'm Chef Mike, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can do chicken with cauliflower florets and amazing roasted cauliflower puree with yeast. This recipe is super tasty and very easy to do at home. So first, we start with our puree.
I'm gonna keep few pieces of cauliflower on the side for my garnish, and the rest I chop for my puree. For my puree, I'm gonna roast chopped cauliflower on the high heat with little bit of vegetable oil until I get nice color. Then I put some butter and leave on low heat. Like this, I'm gonna cook whole thing, and in the same time I create amazing cauliflower bun rosé. When the cauliflower get really dark color, I put some yeast, a little bit of milk and leave it to cook for few minutes until everything is completely soft. And if you wanna learn more about the healthy benefits of eating yeast, I got full article on my blog, so I'm gonna leave link in the description down below so you can check it out. And then I just blend everything in the machine. And this is my amazing roasted cauliflower puree with yeast. Now it's time for my chicken. I did season it with salt and pepper. I just gonna put on the hot pan with skin side down. Now I cook my cauliflower florets in few shallots in salted boiling water for 2 minutes. I'm gonna flip my chicken and look on this skin, guys. This is gonna be delicious. My wedge is cooked, so I'm gonna take it out. Also my chicken is ready, so I take it out and leave it to rest. And on the same pan, I'm gonna roast more vegetables, so I get nice flavor from chicken as well. I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on the top and roast until I get nice brown color. And this is what you want. And now we have everything ready and it's time to put on the plate. I start with a little bit of cocoa. And then I put my amazing roasted cauliflower puree with yeast. Then I put my beautiful chicken with super crispy skin. Then my cauliflower florets and few roasted shallots. I put also a few slices of raw cauliflower. I really like the crunch of fresh veg inside. And finish with nice green chervil. And this is my roasted chicken with cauliflower florets and amazing cauliflower puree with yeast. Enjoy, guys.
I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, guys. Try it at home and let me know in the comment if you like it or not. If you wanna see more recipes like this, click the subscribe button so you're gonna see some food inspiration from me every week. And if you wanna learn more about healthy benefits of yeast, I got full article on my blog, so I'm gonna leave all the links in the description down below so you can check it out. Have a nice day and I'll see you soon.